So you guys said you'd like to interview me?
Yes,
You
we
were
would
ready. Tell us about yourself.
I would love to do that. But today is about you guys. I would want you guys to feel comfortable. आप मेहमान हैं मेरे कहीं आपको लगे कि आई एम क्रॉसिंग दैट फाइन लाइन बिटवीन जो आप लोगों की बाउंड्रीज हैं या नहीं हैं
We don't know boundaries.
so let me know but yeah how would you like for me to introduce you guys starting with you?
But I
What were you going to say?
I would like to introduce myself since you can perceive me. So I would really want to know how did you perceive me?
Let's first give our introductions and then maybe she can give a perception.
Let's do
Yeah?
that.
Go.
Go for it.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zainab Raza. I am a 27-year-old model turned actor. I do create content as well, and I'm so excited to get interviewed by Alize.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Irsa Batul and I'm 31 years old. And I'm a model by profession and a business graduate. I'm really excited.
So, जब आप लोग जिस इंडस्ट्री से बिलोंग करते हो, you're an actor, you're a model, एक आप लोगों का एक certain image build हुआ होता है लोगों के आगे. अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं कि beyond that, आप लोग कौन लोग हैं? क्या बताएंगे आप मुझे?
I feel like I can speak for Irsa and myself both, just in the sense that we're very open books. Like one thing Irsa and I relate to the most, हमारे Instagram पे हमारी पूरी जिंदगी हमारी stories में सुबह के 6 बजे उठे, फिर दांत ब्रश किया, फिर स्किन केयर की, फिर काम के लिए निकले, काम पे जाते हुए ये मसला हो गया, अब काम पे पहुंच गए हैं.
And I think we like to show what we actually are.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
We hate to conceal it. And I think there's nothing to hide.
There's nothing to hide.
But I think
We just try to be a little careful. Like there are certain things that you
like
just...
I am an emotional person and I'm a little overthinker, obviously, but people would not know this. But I think that's about it. And I'm super territorial about my friends and family.
she is.
People don't know that. But yeah.
Best believe if me and Irsa, like Irsa and I will most likely go to social events or जो भी हो रहा हो एक साथ. अगर मैं किसी और के साथ चली जाऊँ, Irsa किसी और के साथ चली जाए.
It can't.
Okay.
नहीं करना था ना? क्यों किया?
नहीं करने थे ना.
But sorry, what was your question again?
How do you basically stay connected to yourself? मतलब आपको do you feel कि एक image build हुआ हुआ है, right? Because आप actor हो, you're a public image.
Yeah.
So how do you make sure कि आप अपने आप से connected रहो?
I think I've just always been very myself. I have never been like the kind of person कि मैं अपने आप को दिखाऊं कुछ और असल में कुछ और हूँ. I'm just very... I would like to think that I try to be as real as I can. So there's never been a huge like, acha, now I have to be myself or now I don't. Okay. I mean, sometimes like, let's say if I'm speaking in a podcast or if I'm speaking on my Instagram story, I could have a certain social media voice, you know, like the Kim voice or the Britney voice that comes on when there's a camera on you. But I think it's not so difficult for me to stay connected to my true self because my life is very much like I balance my work and my personal life in a way कि वो एक साथ साथ ही चलती हैं. So there isn't a disconnect. Okay, work Zainab on and personal Zainab on and like turning a personality on or off. It's like साथ साथ चलता है.
Yeah, honestly, and I think friends and family and also I think a little bit of my religion also, you know, makes me feel grounded towards it. Because obviously the kind of business and the kind of industry this is, it is kind of, you know, it revolves around appearances. So I feel like कि आपके जो actual दोस्त होते हैं वो actually knows you in and out. जिनकी वजह से आपको लगता है कि you know you don't have to pretend all the time. You can be yourself because you can't be yourself 110% in front of the camera. So I think your friends, family, and religion does help me.
Okay. So talking about the industry that you guys belong to. What do you think कि जिस तरह का काम है आप लोगों का, you have to be presentable, you have to look a certain way. क्या लगता है कि कभी-कभी कोई insecurities बाहर निकल के आती हैं because of how you have to constantly carry yourself?
Insecurities, I feel like insecurities होती हैं हर इंसान में, but how do we challenge and channel it वो matter करता है. So ये industry हमारी कि चैनल तो करवाती है insecurities, but at the same time it also teaches us how to live with it and heal with it.
Yeah.
So industry does play a role. कि
अभी जैसे हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे कि माशाल्लाह सच एन अमेजिंग जॉ लाइन, और ये हमें कह रही थी कि नहीं हमारी भी बड़ी अमेजिंग
actually है.
No, actually you do have a very
So you have
nice
high
face
cheekbone
structure.
and you have beautiful.
No.
So talking about the fact कि आपको connected भी रहना है अपने आप से, आपको ये भी make sure करना है कि कहीं ना कहीं वो जो insecurities हैं वो आपकी trigger ना हो, and at the same time you have to make sure that the profession is also there. So how do you draw that fine line between all of this? कभी लगता है कि कोई एक opportunity ऐसी आ रही है जो कि बहुत amazing है लेकिन वो align नहीं कर रही with maybe your values or your faith?
100%. There's so many opportunities that I've received. Like for example, sometimes I'll get reached out to for when I was modeling. So sometimes I would get these offers for a fashion shoot कि आपका उसमें face नहीं show होगा, लेकिन कोई मतलब
It will be a bold shoot.
bold shoot as they like to call it. Like I mean, this is YouTube. We can be very honest. कि वो
Not
कोई
bikini, but bikini.
हाँ, bikini, lingerie type shoot आपको offer करेंगे, and they will try to relate it कि आप तो वैसे भी अपनी life में बहुत freely dress करती हैं, but okay.
You're very open.
Yeah, but
आपका Instagram is very open, so I'm sure you can
wouldn't
wear.
mind.
You wouldn't
No,
mind.
so we have to
People
like-
assume you wouldn't mind.
Yeah, but you have to politely decline it. मुझे बहुत, और मुझे लगता है इस तरह के कुछ scam भी होते हैं कि वो आपको इस तरह से बोल के and they'll ask you for your pictures. You have to be smart in that sense. And even as far as acting is concerned, sometimes I'll get an opportunity कि ये कहीं बाहर अमेरिका में shoot है, UK में shoot है, there's a few kissing scenes and stuff like that, or उसमें you'll be wearing like shorts and skirts, and no, I don't want to do it. मैं असल ज़िंदगी में जो मर्जी पहनूँ, जो मर्जी नहीं पहनूँ, there are certain boundaries. My boundaries might change from time to time. Sometimes I'm feeling more modest in life. Sometimes I'm feeling like, okay, no, I want to like express myself through fashion. But I do sometimes get opportunities that I have to decline because they just don't align with my faith.
Yeah, I agree.
What about you?
And honestly, sometimes I feel there are various voices in my head. One voice do tell me, there's one strict religious voice.
Yeah.
And then there's one voice which actually, tells me if it was not for my work, I wouldn't be here. I wouldn't be traveling all over the world and to all the sacred places I frequently travel to. So I think एक conflict रहता है, but conflict होना भी अच्छी बात है.
But I think we're all like that. ना
I
हमारे
think-
कोई दिन होते हैं जब हम खुदा से बहुत करीब हैं, and then there are days जब
we
हम
want to
कहते हैं
wear
कि यार
something,
हम-
we do not want to
हाँ.
wear something, we want to say something, we don't want to say something. So I think it's normal to have conflicts.
Yeah.
It's a human behavior, I feel like.
So you guys think you have learned to say no with time?
Now I have.
मेरा हमेशा से favorite
शुरू
word
से ही
था.
पता था कि ना कहाँ कहना है और कैसे कहना है.
मेरा हमेशा से favorite word no था.
हाँ.
I think it took me some time to learn it.
Yeah.
Right now, I have learned. Alhamdulillah.
So शुरू के
Caps lock
कुछ
no.
experiences कैसे थे फिर? Like where you think you couldn't say no.
Couldn't say no, and I was also a people pleaser.
Okay.
So I think which also led me to to say no in a very. I couldn't say no to ever, but I think abhi recently ऐसा हुआ है कि now I can. There's a difference between yes or no and maybe. वरना हर चीज़ yes होती थी. हर चीज़ literally yes, हाँ dangerous.
Okay.
So I think process है. Sometimes you want to say no and sometimes
Sometimes you want to say yes
Also.
you want to say
because of the opportunity.
opportunities. Yes.
So have you done that?
I have, अगर देखा जाए तो my parents were actually very against my modeling.
Okay.
Initially they were,
Okay.
but I think कुछ time लगता है and उनका भी no जब yes में बदल सकते हैं तो I think हमारा भी बदल सकता है. I feel.
Even when my modeling career started, at first I didn't tell my parents. My dad, like when my dad realized I'm not asking him for pocket money, he was like, "What are you doing?" I was like, "Content writing." He was like, "For who?"
What? Content
Yeah,
writing?
this is what I said to my dad. Yeah,
I love my dropout.
What?
Love my dropout kit.
Yeah.
Content creation. के
मैंने
लिए.
कहा कि I'm writing for some पता नहीं, I don't know, some blog or
Yeah.
some magazine or something
Yeah.
like
You
that.
actually bought it?
I think he did because it was a very short period of time between that and my lie getting caught. So this happened and I said this and my dad was like, I mean, he didn't really react to it. He was like, okay, matlab, whatever, content writing, who cares? and I started like modeling, and then one day somebody sent my mom a picture of me in a magazine, or maybe she's found it herself, and she's like, is this you? And I was wearing a dress which was not short or revealing, but like it was off shoulder, and it was like, you know, the first time my mom had seen me like इस तरह की situation में कि मेरी knees से नीचे तक का नजर आ रहा है, like my lower legs. And my mom was like, if I ever see you like this in a public situation again, मतलब चलो दोस्तों में या कुछ is different. She was like, if I see this like happening publicly, I'm not going to appreciate it whatsoever, and there will be consequences. I was like, okay. And then it just so happened that meanwhile, वो तो एक मैंने random किसी के लिए editorial किया था, and then it just so happened that I started getting shoots for like Shalwar Kameez brands, and Maria B का मेरा अपनी best friend के साथ एक billboard लगा right above my dad's office. जो मुझे नहीं पता था, उन्होंने कहा था billboard, मैंने कहा पता नहीं कहाँ होंगे shoot में.
So at that time your dad knew about it? Or?
No. Some people also have a problem with the
it's being judged in Pakistan.
Exactly. So shuru mein, as far as that was concerned, but slowly they became chill with it. Then even after that, I did many things that they are okay with, they aren't okay with. It's a learning curve, you know, with your family. Everyone at some point just realizes that there has to be a balance from somewhere. वो कहीं ना कहीं से आ जाता है.
So as an audience, ठीक है, जब ऑडियंस देखती है आप लोगों को, डू यू फील कि यही तो एग्जैक्ट चीज़ है कि जहाँ पे आपकी एक पर्सनल लाइफ है विच कैन बी वेरी मॉडर्न, राइट, और लेट्स से विच इज़ वे टू पर्सनल फॉर यू ऑफ कोर्स, कि एक सर्टन आपकी अपनी चॉइस है कि मैं कपड़े कैसे पहनती हूँ या मैं हैंग आउट कैसे करती हूँ, जब वो प्रोफेशनल सेटिंग में आप अवॉइड करते हो, डू यू फील कि ऑडियंस उस चीज़ पे आपको जज करती है? बिकॉज वो जो अगेन मुझे डिफ्रेंशिएट करना है प्रोफेशनलिज्म में और पर्सनल लाइफ में, लोग उसको कर ही नहीं पाते.
वो नहीं कर पाते हैं. इफ एनीथिंग लोगों को तो लगता है कि मैं पार्टी करती रहती हूँ, एंड पार्टी करना मेरा काम है, मुझे पार्टी करने के पैसे मिलते हैं, बिकॉज दैट्स द वे वी शो आवर लाइव्स, राइट. वी शो माशाल्लाह वी डू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ फन इन लाइफ, एंड वी डू शो एवरीथिंग टू बी इन सच अ रियल वे. देखो आप हर चीज़ एंजॉय करते हैं, अल्लाह माफ़ करे फैमिली में डेथ हो जाए उसके बाद भी आप लोग कजिन्स वगैरह बैठते हैं, कुछ दे ट्राई टू हैव अ लाइट हार्टेड कॉन्वर्सेशन, कोई पुरानी मेमोरी के साथ हंसते हैं, यू नो. सो पीपल थिंक कि हम शूट पे भी हैं तो हम बस पार्टी कर रहे हैं, हम दोस्तों के साथ हैं तो पार्टी कर रहे हैं, हम घर में बैठे हैं पार्टी कर रहे हैं, अल्लाह माफ़ करे हमारी बहन पे भी पार्टी कर रहे हैं, अल्लाह माफ़ करे. दैट्स व्हाट दे थिंक, बिकॉज when you see people who love and care about each other together being real, ये नहीं कि बस एक पिक्चर लगा दी रोते हुए हाय मैं हर बहन पे आई नहीं, like you know.
Even on Umrah people actually expect us to be very pious and
कि हम बस चुप करके बैठे रहे, अल्लाह
sad रहें.
ऐसा कौन करता है?
sad लोगों को लगता है sad रहें basically.
ये लोग ना भी sad हो. there is this, you know, for example, let's say you have not been on Umrah, or let's say you don't have a social life the way that we do or anything close to it, या वो perception आप नहीं understand कर पाते, तो आपके लिए मुझे उम्रा करने के बाद अपने दोस्तों के साथ कॉफ़ी पीना एक बहुत अजीब सी बात है. क्यों हंस रहे हो? मतलब कौन कुछ भी करने के बाद, फॉर एग्जांपल कोई भी रिलीजियस चीज़ करने के बाद या किसी भी सैड इवेंट को गो थ्रू करने के बाद, इट्स वेरी नेचुरल टू I mean go through your other emotions as well. For example, like you know when a lot of people said कि आप मुहर्रम में क्यों हंस रहे हैं, यार बैन के बाद क्यों हंस रहे हैं, उम्रा के बाद. So the example I give to them is, and some people sometimes will also ask me कि अच्छा आपकी फैमिली में डेथ हो जाए उसके बाद आप हंस रही होंगी. My answer in short without an explanation is yes. जब जनाजा हो गया है, सब कुछ हो गया है, तो उसके बाद आप लोग बैठेंगे, मतलब बातचीत करेंगे.
It's natural.
एक मतलब ऐसा थोड़ी होता है कि इस तरह की एक सिचुएशन के बाद आप बस
You can't stop feeling the feelings now.
And even in our religion, mourning is only 3 days. अगर चलो उस बात को भी सिर्फ अगर लेके बैठ जाए, तो आई थिंक लोगों को बहुत शौक है कोई भी इस तरह की बात लेके उसको एक अलग ही परसेप्शन बना लेना, एंड दैट्स वेरी नेचुरल.
And I think people love to judge no matter what you do. People just love to
कुछ
judge.
करो ना करो, अच्छा करो बुरा करो.
But do you guys think कि ये जो जजमेंट है, ये तो we know कि you know हमारी सोसाइटी में जजमेंट फैक्टर बहुत ज़्यादा है, बहुत प्रोमिनेंट है, लेकिन एक जजमेंट वो होती है जो आती है just by being a public figure. एक होती है जो कि स्पेसिफिकली एक एक्टर या मॉडल होने की वजह से आती है. There was a time when it was quite a taboo, you know, if you're a model, if you're an actor.
It still is.
Do you feel it is still there?
It is still there.
आपको जज किया जाता है just because आप मॉडल हो, just because आप एक्टर हो? Do you
Scrutiny.
feel that there's a certain
100%.
class which accepts this profession? क्या आपको
It's
लगता
not.
है?
I don't feel like it's about a class. It's about the environment we live in
And mindset.
and mindset, and especially if it involves women in the public eye, so
Yeah.
obviously it will get judged automatically. So a lot of families, they do not, even in my, like if I actually talk about my family, it's not really it's not really common to have a model. I think I'm the only model in my family. My cousin recently started working as a model, but I was the first one to break this barrier. So
black sheep, हम
black
हम
sheep,
तो black sheep हैं यहाँ
black
पे।
venture and black sheep. So I think people do judge it. By all means, they do judge.
And वही बात है कि for example some people working in our homes, तो कुछ के लिए वो बहुत acceptable होता है और उनको खुद भी permission होती है कि let's say अगर वो हमारे साथ set पे आ रही हैं, like some house workers, they have the permission to come to sets with us, or they have the permission कि वो market में जाके सब्जी खरीद लें, they have the permission कि let's say वो दुपट्टे के बगैर घूम लें, या उनको कोई छोटा मोटा रोल करना है या कुछ मतलब कोई भी opportunity लेनी है, उनको भी इजाज़त होती है, चाहे वो जैसे भी घर से आते हो, it's not about class. Again, there are some people from the richest and the poorest backgrounds जिनको ना बाहर इस तरह से जाने की इजाज़त है, जिनको लेट बाहर नहीं रह सकते, जिन लड़कों के साथ नहीं हैंग आउट कर सकते, या जिनको स्क्रीन पे आने की इजाज़त, so it has nothing to do with class.
It has nothing. It's the environment. I feel like
जिस environment में आप बड़े हुए हैं, mindset, perspective, and कुछ बच्चे होते हैं अपनी families में जो वो perspective change करने की कोशिश करते हैं, वो mindset mend करने की कोशिश करते हैं.
Black sheep.
But so with this judgment, do you feel कि आप लोग इतना, you've got that spine now, कि you don't care कि यार लोग हमें judge करते हैं तो करें.
Honestly, we don't care about people.
Yeah,
as long as
this
our
also
family,
grew with time.
Yeah, and as long as our family is happy with us, they know what we're doing, what we're into it. So I don't feel like कि हमें कोई फर्क पड़ता है कि लोग क्या कहेंगे, लोग क्या कहेंगे, कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना.
And मुझे बचपन से पता नहीं the kind of family I was raised in, my family, my dad, my mom, they were always so loving and appreciating towards me that I've always been very confident. बचपन से वो कभी-कभी translates into overconfidence as well. But when you know that you have your family's undivided support, for example, if I do something wrong, my dad is not going to publicly,
say anything to you.
Yes, लेकिन वो मुझे side पे बताएंगे कि ये जो तुमने किया है, ये ठीक नहीं है और ये नहीं होना चाहिए. तो yes, ऐसा भी नहीं है कि like some people might be like अच्छा ये लोग तो ये choices करते हैं, मतलब इनके माँ बाप को मसला नहीं है, तो इनके मतलब family भी, मतलब they start using weird languages कि उनकी family भी ऐसी है. No, my family is very like kind of different from us. Our families are not like us. They are not into this kind of dressing and going out and all these things, but they support us and they क्या word use करेंगे, वो trust करते हैं हमें.
They trust, and also I think they're evolving with time.
And I think people should also understand that the more that you cage your child, the more they are bound to want to explore outside that cage. And even though आपको आपके बच्चों की बहुत सारी choices नहीं भी अच्छी लगती, आप उनको guide करो, आप उनका support बने रहो, आप उनको छोड़ दोगे तो पता नहीं और क्या जाके करेंगे. Let them experience, वो खुद ही मतलब अपनी mistakes करके they'll learn.
I think जितना आप trust करते हैं अपने, मतलब obviously as being my parents kid, मुझे जितना मेरे parents ने trust किया है, I think मैंने उनका इतनी मैं कोशिश करती हूँ उनका trust ना टूटे. और बचपन में obviously when we had to lie or hide something, तो वो हम 10x करते थे, because ये तो पता नहीं है तो और भी extra करें तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है. But now अब उनको सब पता होता है कि चलो यार अब ये नहीं करते, since she knows this, she's on my Instagram, ये कर रही हूँ तो बस इतना ही करती हूँ, ज़्यादा नहीं करती, So I think जब आप parents आपके अंदर trust दिखाते हैं तो you don't like to break it. So I think it's that the parents should trust their
Yeah, they should stay by their child. वो गलत decision ले रहा है, उनको guide करें लेकिन साथ रहें, बिल्कुल छोड़ भी ना दें,
हम उनको बता भी सकेंगे,
cage भी ना करें और बिल्कुल छोड़ भी ना दें.
Okay. But having said that, एक family trust तो है, लेकिन उसके बावजूद do you feel कि इस industry की कोई ऐसी चीजें हैं that should be talked about?
Yes.
लेकिन लोग avoid करते हैं probably because how you said कि अब बहुत ज़्यादा ये चीज़ भी होती है. I think nowadays it's a lot about connections, right?
Yeah.
Everybody's into making connections. Everybody's into making sure कि जहाँ पे काम निकल सकता है निकले, जहाँ पे चुप रहा जा सकता है रह लें, because.
Yeah.
So there's always a because with it.
Yeah.
So what do you think? कोई ऐसी चीजें हैं that you feel कि हाँ यार बोलना चाहिए but हम नहीं बोलते because काम ना मिले, because लोग offend हों.
There are a lot of things, but लोग उनके बारे में बात करते हैं, but it's not about one person, one brand. बहुत सारी चीज़ें टाइमिंग इश्यूज हैं एंड पेमेंट इश्यूज होते हैं
कुछ लोगों के behaviors
बिहेवियर इश्यूज
which
होते
I know you're
हैं
pointing towards.
हाँ देयर आर लॉट ऑफ इश्यूज लेकिन वो हर शूट का मसला नहीं होता यू नो वन
Right.
शूट इज़ परफेक्ट बट दूसरा शूट होगा मे बी इट्स वो क्लोज भी ना हो परफेक्शन से सो आई थिंक इट्स डिफरेंट विद एवरी अदर पर्सन एंड इंडिविजुअल आई थिंक और हर किसी का अपना पर्सनल बिहेवियर पर्सनल अटैचमेंट एंड कनेक्शन किस तरह से आई थिंक दैट मैटर्स
इस तरह की बातें ना शुरू होके ख़त्म हो जाती हैं लाइक पीपल विल ब्रिंग अप समवन प्रॉब्लमैटिक एंड एक तो हमारा लीगल सिस्टम द वे इट वर्क्स एंड देन ऑब्वियसली देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स जहाँ पे लेट्स से इफ़ यू गो टू द लीगल एस्पेक्ट देयर आर थिंग्स जिसका आप प्रूफ नहीं दे सकते यू नो तो कुछ चीज़ें शुरू होके ख़त्म हो जाती हैं कुछ चीज़ों का रिजल्ट एंड में ये निकलता है कि somebody will be accused of something वो केस जीत जाएंगे wrongly एंड वो बात वहीं ख़त्म हो जाती है तो आई फील लाइक दिस इज़ नॉट जस्ट इन आवर इंडस्ट्री ये आप फाइनेंस में चले जाएं न्यूज़ में every
it's not
industry in the
about
world
harm.
has all sorts of people good and bad all sorts of practices good and bad legal illegal harmful non-harmful religious non-religious so this is not an industry thing this is everywhere in every single industry there are all sorts of people and it's hard to navigate through you just have to try your best कि आपका moral compass north की तरफ
Strong
हो
हो.
yeah
But then do you think this is also gender bias? कि एक certain, you know, being a female figure, आप लोगों को लगता है कि within your industry, कोई ऐसे privileges हैं जो शायद मर्दों को ज़्यादा मिलते हैं और आपको ना मिलते हों या आपको
I
ज़्यादा
think it's
मिलते
the other
हैं?
way around. Girls are more privileged in our industry.
In our industry,
You guys
girls are better
It is a
paid.
women-dominating industry.
Yes.
Alhamdulillah.
Yes.
but-
Really?
Yeah,
Yes.
it is.
In a male
In
dominant
a
society, we have a
women-dominated.
woman dominant profession.
Yeah.
Okay.
Opposed to what I've heard in Hollywood apparently men sometimes do get paid more for the same job, but Pakistan
Pakistan is
mein 90% of the time female actors, female models do
I
get
think
paid more.
99.9%.
Yeah.
I would like
Men
to
actually
see
kind
that.
of struggle, especially as models.
Especially as models. Actors, I think, is a little different, but for male models, I think female models are more.
Yeah.
लेकिन ये restricted है just payment की हद तक या you think कि you know generally the overall attitude
And the
भी
way
या
people
the way you're
treat
treated.
them. The treatment is 100% different for women.
You know अगर male models हैं या male actors हैं उनको time पे पहुंचना है और आप लोग 4 घंटे भी लेट जाएं तो
अच्छा इस तरह की चीजों में नहीं होता
नहीं
You think
होता.
that or-
I think that is somehow the same, but
ठीक है.
the main treatment from the brand, from the makeup artist, I think that's
आप लोग
different.
ज़्यादा demand में हैं.
So for models it's different, for
Yeah,
actors it's
yeah.
different. I know that female models do get priority and like better treatment and everything, but as far as actors are concerned, there are a lot of different variants to it. For example, आप किसके बेटे हैं?
Nepo-
sometimes-
nepo kids.
Yes, and sometimes for example, अब let's say set पे 90% crew is male.
Yeah.
तो वो उनका भाईचारा वॉइसिंग इतनी ज़्यादा होती है कि अनलेस एक लड़की उनके साथ बहुत ही अच्छे से चले समटाइम्स ये भी हो सकता है बट स्विंग्स बोथ वेज यू नो समटाइम्स कि वो भाईचारा बढ़ के द मैन विल गेट बेटर ट्रीटमेंट लेट्स से डायरेक्टर भी मेल है प्रोड्यूसर मेल है सब मेल तो भाई भाई करके उनकी यू नो हो जाती है बट समटाइम्स वो लड़की है तो इट्स अप एंड डाउन
So there's some sort of discomfort around अगर let's say कि अगर ज़्यादा मर्द हजरात हैं on sets so you do feel कि वो corner करते हैं लड़कियों को या नहीं?
No.
No. It depends from person to person.
Yes, and if anything, alhamdulillah, in our line of work, the model or the actor will get the best treatment right next to the client or the director themselves.
I agree.
Because let's
we're
say,
very respectful.
I mean, गलत बात है, लेकिन let's say if we're not happy, तो हम काम ही नहीं करेंगे.
Mood नहीं है तो काम कैसे करेंगे?
Yeah.
It will
Yeah,
show.
like there have been instances where on set there has been a certain environment that has made me feel uncomfortable and I've just gone to the makeup room that please fix the environment on set and I'd love to work because I can't be you know like होता है कभी कभी कि production का कोई error चल रहा है and there's people yelling बहन ये and फलाना वो करके वो गालियाँ चल रही होती हैं I'm like मैं इस तरह से तो नहीं यहाँ पे काम करूँगी ना कि लड़के एक दूसरे को गालियाँ दे रहे हैं मैं बीच में जी खड़ी acting करके इस तरह नहीं हो सकता.
I wish we could also do that.
But do you feel कि men and women generally they're judged for their choices? They are.
They are obviously because again the treatment is different. Maybe for men it might sound bold, but लड़की के लिए बोल देंगे ये vulgar है. you know.
Yeah.
So I think it is different ना चाहते
So
हुए भी.
मतलब मर्द करे तो उसकी जॉब है,
हाँ,
लड़की
लड़की
करे तो
करे तो
vulgarity
vulgarity है.
But on the other hand, an example I give to her off camera. I mean, I'll try to put it in a way that is,
Yeah.
acceptable for everyone.
Yeah.
But let's say, for example, there are certain female-dominated industries. अब उसमें the female can do whatever she wants. लेकिन अगर लड़के ने क्या देखो, अल्लाह ये क्या कर रहा है, लड़का होके कर रहा
लड़का
है.
भी कर रहा है.
And
But again,
there's some expected. For example, as a woman, I don't want to work. I'm gonna sit at home. Who's gonna say anything about it? Nobody. But as a man, if I want to,
I
आपका बेटा
agree.
काम नहीं करता? हाँ, क्यों सब ठीक है उसकी जिंदगी में?
So तलहंजुम की लाइन अगर मर्द नहीं है तो कमाते क्यों?
Yeah.
Basically,
So
like
basically.
I really
So if
think.
you're a man, you need to be a provider, you know. So for women, even though we love to work, we love to earn and everything, we don't have to, but
According to the stereotype.
according
Yeah,
to the
yeah.
stereotype.
So do you think overall अगर हम बात करें, not about you guys first, what are the like some scenarios that you've seen कि ज़्यादातर लोग इस profession में acting में या modeling में passion की वजह से आए हैं या it's because of this need to earn for their households?
Little
Or-
bit of both.
I think a little bit of both, and for me, the way it started, I did not even had an idea ke where it will even go, because
Yeah,
I was working in a bank when I started.
You were a
this.
banker?
I was a banker.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, I was
Cool.
working literally in Bank Habib Khadda Market.
I didn't know this.
So I was working in a bank, and the pay scale was kind of low, but I had no idea what people actually get in modeling industry.
Okay.
So it started off very randomly. My cousin wanted to do this shoot for him as a favor, so I just did it. So initially it was not for money, but Alhamdulillah, the amount to models, the amount of money they earn, so obviously at the end जाके हो जाता है for money के लिए. लेकिन
Yeah.
I think I will also call it a passion, because if there is no passion, you can't really be good at it.
Right.
So I think
Sometimes
it's
people
both.
are good at something without being passionate about it.
But
Tab
at
ye
the
hai.
end,
But
हाँ,
then what is the purpose of life if you're not enjoying it?
if you're not enjoying it.
I
Do
think
you think this, with you also it's about perks? Like, do you get the kind of
So-
perks to modeling में होते हैं? Yeah.
first I want to talk about people, because your
Okay.
question was about people, right?
Yeah.
I can obviously talk about myself, and people do know why I did or didn't start. But log, in every question that you're asking, there's a balance almost everywhere,
Right.
For example, there are many people who are going into modeling because they need to, and there are many people that just end up there, so like Irsa just randomly ended up there. I also randomly ended up there. But even sometimes when you end up there, it can start becoming like, for example, now let's say if randomly we start working, Alhamdulillah, mashallah, our family will support us. They're not going to be like, "Utho niklo kaam karo," because they never
Yeah.
told us to get out of the house. Alhamdulillah,
Yeah.
we have that support from our family, which I'm really, really blessed.
Yeah.
But
No, but also कभी-कभी होता है ना कि आप बहुत career oriented हैं. And
I
you
think
want
we
to make
are.
your own
We
money.
are.
We
I
are.
hate to sit at home.
Yes.
Because
I cannot
once
sit
I feel
idle.
वो independence का मजा आ जाता है, you
Yeah.
don't want to let that go.
Exactly, now
The
there's a
taste of your
lifestyle to
own
maintain.
money is different.
And now there
Yeah.
isn't just a lifestyle to maintain. Now our dreams are like, maybe we can do so much that even though our parents don't need us to, maybe we can just fully retire them.
Yeah.
किसी को कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है, हम भी कुछ नहीं कर रहे, businesses set है, सब घर पे बैठे हैं.
Yeah.
So mine started out from when I dropped out after A levels. I did not want to immediately go into university. And after a few months, my mom, I think I mentioned to my dad that I wanted to travel or something, and he was like, okay, so do it. I was like, what do you mean do it? He was like, if you have the money, go do it. I was like, आप मेरे बाप है ना, आप भेजेंगे ना मुझे. And he goes like, तुम्हें लगता है तुम घर पे बैठोगी, कुछ भी नहीं करोगी, and I'll still fund this lifestyle? No. He was like, do anything and I will support you.
Yeah.
Internship कर लो, कुछ भी कर
कुछ
लो.
करो at
Do
least,
anything.
हाँ.
So from there, I got offered to shoot as वैसे ही for a friend के, oh, because I used to do theater in school. So one of my friends was like, do you want to do magazine cover shoot? वही वाला जो अम्मा ने पकड़ लिया था. I was like, okay. And they would even ask me, how much would you charge? And I was like, ew, I don't need anyone's money. Because I was like, वो एक weird concept होता था कि I am not doing a job. ये मेरा profession नहीं है, मुझे ये चीज़ आती नहीं है, तो मुझे ew कोई पैसे क्यों देगा? Like I'm
I
good
have
with
my own
my
money.
yeah. I'm like my dad would always give me pocket money and stuff. For me, that was the only person I would ever take money from was my dad, because मुझे ये था कि job तो नहीं है, you know. So when I started modeling, I started getting more and more offers, and वहाँ से transition to acting and social media, and you know. And now it's like, now we want to maintain a lifestyle. Now we want to be able to do so much. Like now there's so many things we want to do. Like my dad has his own business and stuff, mashallah. Like he's doing great. He doesn't need anything from me, but I want to do so much that even my dad can somehow just manage his business completely. घर से everything's
hobby के
chilled
तौर पे
out.
करें.
Yeah, and I want to just do more and more. I want to be able to help the world and charity, and now I don't think it can stop at any point.
I don't think there's anything which
Yeah. And the lifestyles we have provided for ourselves, I don't think now anyone can provide those lifestyles for us.
I don't think we
You
can
guys
only
have become
provide you
the
men of our
that you-
lives, honestly.
And freedom भी एक है ना. Let's say हम घर पे
The
बैठ जाएं.
independence and the freedom.
Let's say हम घर पे बैठ जाएं, अम्मा अब्बा हमारे lifestyle fund भी कर लें, फिर सवाल भी होते हैं. With your own money,
ज़्यादा
there's no
सवाल
questions.
होते हैं.
हाँ, कहाँ जा रही हो? किसी. Let's say Irsa leaves her job और वो अम्मा से कहे, अम्मा मुझे let's say ये amount देना, मुझे टर्की जाना है. कब जा रही हो, क्यों जा रही हो, किसके साथ जा रही हो, इतने पैसे, ये वो accounting, like you know, with your own money there's none of that, even though the connection's a bit weird, but hey.
And why do you guys think कि society operates that way? ये वाकई एक है कि हमें I think हमारी जो पिछली generation थी कहीं ना कहीं उनको ये लगता था कि अगर हम financially support कर रहे हैं तो हमें हक है कि हम सवाल करें. Why do you think that is associated with somebody being financially independent? You know, automatically अगर आप कमा रही हो तो आपसे उस तरह सवाल नहीं किया जाएगा.
I'll tell you why. Your money, your choice.
Yeah.
अभी मैं अपनी छोटी बहन को ये concept of money समझाने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ, because every day she has one more weird request for a thing I know she will not. For example, she'll be like, I want a cello. I'll buy her a cello.
Yeah.
She's not even going to practice it. She's not going to go to any music class. वो ज़ाया हो जाएगा. अच्छा, I want a new headphone. I want a new phone. I can question her because I am going to now be taking the responsibility for that spending. When it's your money, no one can ask you कि आप कहाँ जा रहे हो, क्यों जा रहे हो, कैसे जा रहे हो. For example, if my little sister was earning, would she need to ask me to buy a cello? No. How can I stop her? Let's say even if I think it's a bad decision for her to. Similarly, when you're dependent on someone, then they expect you not only to depend on them financially, they expect you to
Be answerable to them.
Yes. I think dependency and being answerable kind of
They go hand in hand.
They go hand in hand.
And you think ये बस एक mindset issue है या
I think it makes sense.
I think if someone's providing for you, they think they own you in some sort.
Even
वो
if they don't
entitlement
own
एक आ
you,
जाता है.
even if they
ना
don't
चाहते हुए
own
भी.
you, they can maybe at that point teach you the sense of responsibility and कि वो एक financial आपको समझाए ना कि अच्छा चलो कर रहे हो पैसे spend, कोई issue नहीं है, कहाँ कर रहे हो, क्यों कर रहे हो, क्योंकि अगर हमें sense नहीं लगती तो it should not be provided for.
I agree.
Like let's say for example, if you are doing something for your little brother, okay,
Yeah.
you will मतलब you don't care what he does,
I'll
लेकिन पूछोगी तो
expect,
सही,
हाँ,
पूछोगी तो सही क्यों कर रहे हो,
क्यों कर रहे हो?
as opposed
क्यों
to
और
अपने हाँ
क्यों आ जाता है?
हाँ, as opposed to अगर वो अपने पैसों से let's say अपने पैसों से असद गाड़ी खरीद रहा है,
I would
तो
mind, हाँ.
how can you ask him? You have no basis. अगर
Basis
तुम असद को
नहीं
गाड़ी
है.
लेके दे रही हो
Yeah, I'll
तो
have
तुम
the basis.
पूछोगी ना, फिर तुम उसे सब सिखाओगी कि गाड़ी खरीदने का ये तरीका होता है, ये करना, ये नहीं करना, तेज नहीं चलाना.
माँ बनूंगी basically इसकी.
basically.
Basically, if I'm providing that,
Yeah.
I will be her
Yeah.
mama. Yeah.
Okay.
I think they go hand in hand.
Okay. Considering you guys, I'm sure, have a whole lot of fan following, admiration होती है of course. लेकिन क्या लगता है कि being a woman, वो admiration कब turn हो जाती है into objectification?
साथ साथ.
साथ हो
Yeah.
जाती है.
Some people are admirers, some people are haters, some people are like a little bit of both.
मतलब एक होता है ना कि आपको नजर आ रहा होता है कि कोई बहुत रिस्पेक्टफुली आपकी तारीफ कर रहे हैं, लोग कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स दे रहे हैं, और फिर एक वो ऑब्जेक्टिफिकेशन वाला फैक्टर आता है कि दे थिंक कि उनके पास ये राइट है where they can comment maybe on how you look, on your size, on your complexion, anything related to your like appearance. Do you think वो चीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा है या there's balance?
I think there's balance, and even though we belong to this industry, लेकिन I think हम किसी को इतना फ्री होने का मौका देते नहीं हैं कि वो objectify करने की सिचुएशन या स्टेज पे पहुंच सकें।
लेकिन लोग कमेंट्स में तो कुछ भी लिखते हैं ना।
कमेंट्स को तो ऑनेस्टली मजा आता है।
Yeah, I think that's what she is talking
That
about.
means
अच्छा,
कि आपका
social-
कंट्रोल नहीं है obviously
बिल्कुल भी
general
control।
public पे।
We can't really control anyone. General public तो
Yeah.
बिल्कुल भी नहीं, लेकिन control तो I think we cannot.
Yeah.
एंड लोगों का काम है कहना, लोग तो कहेंगे। आपने एक पब्लिक प्लेटफॉर्म बना लिया है, आपने कमेंट सेक्शन ऑन रखा हुआ है,
On रखा
उनकी
हुआ है।
मर्जी वो जो बोले।
Obviously,
Yeah.
जैसे आपकी मर्जी है, you want to post whatever, so obviously I won't say कि we are a public property, but सही है, अगर एक social media पे एक public account है,
Yeah.
so it is there for public. So
Yes.
they can
So now you
comment.
guys have become very thick-skinned.
Yeah.
You have to
जो
be.
बोलना
And
है
if you do
बोल
not
दो।
like it, just hide it or delete it.
Yeah,
हाँ,
block them. Block
yeah,
them.
literally block them.
Yeah.
You don't have to consume all the
Yeah.
negative.
So this is
information.
very normal. If you are making a public profile, you have to. आपने प्रोफाइल बनाई public, आपने comments on किए for the public. तो
Yeah.
फिर वो करेंगे।
Correct. So, regardless of the fact कि you guys are very real, ठीक है? क्या लगता है कि have there been moments जहाँ पे internally maybe you were not doing so okay, mentally you felt like maybe I'm quite a mess today, मैं रो के अभी निकली हूँ और मेरी आंखें सूजी नहीं हैं, and yet you had to portray कि
Yeah.
I'm completely okay because अभी मुझे modeling करनी है, मुझे अभी acting करनी है, या मुझे मेरी एक public presence है, हुए हैं ये वाले
I think in our line of work it's very common, because हमारा
In any
face
line of work.
in any line of work,
Yeah.
but especially in our line of work, our face is there
Yeah.
in front of the camera.
Yeah.
We can't really hide it. We can't
Yeah.
conceal it.
Yeah.
What or if I talk about myself, I'm an open book. अगर मेरा mood खराब है तो it will show on my face.
You
I
will
can-
know. You will feel
know,
the wrath.
You will know
Yeah.
कि
The
something
wrath.
is there, कि something is there. So it's very hard, but obviously then again, अगर कोई problems हैं and if someone has booked me in advance, I have to go there and I have to done my job.
Yeah,
I
you have to show up.
Yeah.
I have to show up no matter what. आंसू बाथरूम में साफ करें, मेकअप से पहले साफ करें, आई ड्रॉप यूज करें, बट ऑब्वियसली इस तरह के सिचुएशन
You have to show up for
you
your
have
work.
to show up.
Especially because this isn't a job. There's a whole production
Yeah.
waiting on you.
Yeah.
आप सबका टाइम
The
नहीं
personal
जाया
and
कर
professional
सकते।
life, obviously you can't really keep them separate, but at the same time you can't really merge them.
Yeah.
So
But do you guys feel कि उस चीज का आपकी कहीं ना कहीं mental health पे takes a toll?
sometimes
कि
it does because
मेरे
you have to
7-8
suppress your
घंटे
feelings.
की shoot है and उसमें you've maybe had some tough experience or maybe you're going through something and उसमें आपको हंसना भी है, उसमें आपको poses भी देने हैं, उसमें आपको interact भी करना है तरह-तरह के लोगों से।
होता है, but having a supportive team also matters.
It does help a lot. आपके friends, आपकी team, आप किसके साथ काम कर रहे हैं, it
Yeah.
does.
Yeah.
And there will be some days that you're working on a new set or you're working with people you don't know or maybe you're not
Yeah.
comfortable with. You just have to wipe your tears, show up, and
And
पता है
you can't
क्या?
give you 100% all the time,
हाँ.
honestly.
Yeah.
And
People
कभी-कभी
should cut some slack.
and
They do.
They do.
I think clients
Yeah.
do understand
They're
also.
nice. Considerate होते हैं.
kind of 110% बहुत considerate होते हैं. मतलब obviously इतने सारे दिन होते हैं when you're not feeling well. Even on your periods, the team is very supportive. उन्हें
Yeah.
पता है कि how can they make us feel comfortable. They will give us some time. वो किसी और मॉडल को बोलेंगे आप आउटफिट कर लो उसका, आप रेस्ट कर लो. Even तो आज ही I was working with this model and Dania, she had a heat stroke. I don't know how. It was so hot कि उसको actually चक्कर आ रहे थे. Then they were like कि आप बैठ जाओ, ऐसा कर लेगी. So I think people are very considerate like that.
और sometimes अगर नहीं भी हो, it's okay, it's your job. You can have thick skin for the day क्योंकि हर रोज नहीं भी thick skin करनी होती ना. Show up,
Yeah.
do your job, and maybe by the time you're leaving, you would have forgotten all about it, or maybe by the time you're leaving, you can just go home and cry about it.
Go home and
Go home and cry about. I like that.
हर रोज नहीं भी आपकी टीम सपोर्टिव होती है और sometimes they may be also having a bad
Yeah.
day and two people having a bad day sometimes have a clash or whatever.
Yeah.
So maybe not every time your team will be supportive, maybe not everyone will be there to show up for
And
you.
not everyone is lucky, obviously, to have a good team.
Yes,
also.
and sometimes you just have to show up for yourself, and if you
Yeah.
can't, it's okay. You just have a bad day. कुछ नहीं होता.
But again, I see that you two are, mashallah, very thick-skinned. ठीक है? And probably while you've been in the industry, you've also learned through
Yeah.
maneuvering through your emotions.
Yeah.
But there are people जो कि नहीं शायद उस चीज़ को मैनूवर करना जानते, उसको नहीं पता कि हमने किस तरह navigate करना है अपने emotions को while we're at work, क्या करें. So वो एक कोई certain emotion जो आप लोगों ने notice किया हो कि इंडस्ट्री में बहुत ज़्यादा नज़र आता है, common है लोगों के अंदर, What do you think?
Lack of empathy.
Really?
होती भी है.
I don't know if favoritism can be a part of this, but I think लोग किसी toward जैसे I don't want to name it, but there are few celebrities जो हो जाते हैं कि we are celebrities and they make you feel a certain way, even on set, and it's not easy to work.
ये few ही है या majority?
Very
Okay.
few, very few. Majority of the celebs are very nice too and very easy to work with.
ठीक
So, but then there obviously exceptions भी कुछ होते हैं.
Yeah.
तो कुछ हैं ऐसे जिनकी वजह से आपको they actually make you feel a certain way on set.
Yeah.
And then आपको होता है कि आपके face से वो expression जा ही नहीं रहा
तो वही ना,
होगा.
there's a lack of empathy.
हाँ,
They're not able to get out of their own head कि
their
मैं
own
भाई
bubble के
मैं कोई हूँ.
अच्छा मैं बहुत है यहाँ पे लोगों में. I hate it लेकिन लोगों में मैं बहुत ज़्यादा है
Yeah.
कि they do things.
If at all times you're being empathetic of someone else's feelings as well. For example, let's say I am the biggest actor of Pakistan, ठीक है, and you are a completely new model. तो अब मैं यहाँ आके ना कि मैं अपना मैं
तो
झाड़ू,
मैं
maybe I will be
लेकिन-
like, oh, there's a new
हाँ.
girl, maybe I can make her feel more comfortable, or maybe I can guide her if she's open to it. या
Yeah.
जो भी है मैं उससे
I
मतलब,
agree.
I'm not gonna be like मैं makeup room नहीं share करूँगी, इसको side पे करें, ये मैं इसके साथ pose, like that's off.
So do you feel कि ये जो एक celebrity status है, ये लोग ज़्यादातर they're just always carrying it with them and at some point वो एक normal human connection भूल जाते हैं? Like they've just got to be themselves.
Sometimes और कुछ लोगों को लगता है कि वो बहुत ही cool लगेंगे, ये मैं keep
And
up करके.
sometimes अगर celebrities अगर बेहतर होना भी चाह रहा होता है, their manager won't let them.
Damn, I wonder who she's talking about.
Everybody
Again,
needs such a manager, हाँ?
It's about the
जो
environment
reality
then, I
check
guess.
देता रहे,
Yeah,
वो इंसान
yeah,
में.
yeah.
Okay. So as individuals,
Yeah.
what part of your lives do you want कि वो बिल्कुल protected रहे from public eye?
I would say my shortcomings.
Okay.
Everyone has shortcomings. I have mine, and I would not want them to be exposed because look, everyone has, pros and cons to their personality. Everyone has a good and a bad side, and I would not want that on my bad days I'm exposed. Or maybe अगर let's say मैंने कुछ गुस्से में आके कुछ बोल गया momentarily.
Yeah.
I'll give you an example. मैं गुस्से में आपको कुछ आके बोल दूंगी ना, you will most likely go and say it to someone else. लेकिन अगर वही 15 मिनट के बाद मैं आपको आके apologize करूँ, शायद आप वो बात नहीं लोगों को बताएंगी. So the one thing I do try to keep to myself, I do have a hard time differentiating between what I want to keep to myself and what I don't. I do try and keep my family out of the social media's eye because they don't want to be there.
Okay.
Like my little brother literally said to me a few days back, I don't like the facade that goes on when we go to a restaurant with you. And I was like, what? I was like, what? You don't like that I am famous or what? And he goes like, no, I have no issue. But he literally said sometimes when I'm in university, I don't know who actually wants to be my friend and who just thinks I'm cool because you're my sister. And I didn't even know कि उसकी university में सबको पता है या उसकी surrounding में. And I do wish that people around me can have a normal life and don't get affected by whatever line of work I'm in or I'm not in. So I would want to protect my family. I would want to protect my loved ones. There are many friends of ours who don't want to be on social media. One of my bestest friend, whose name I'm not even supposed to be taking publicly, does not like me on social media. So my family, my loved ones, and any shortcomings that I may have, that I hope people will be empathetic of, that everyone can have a bad day or a bad moment, and that just doesn't define who they are. Like, if anyone gets angry momentarily, I would give them the grace for it, unless मुझे पता हो कि इंसान है ही घटिया. But Irsa, what about you?
We were just talking about it off camera. I hate this.
You can say whatever you're comfortable with.
Honestly, I think everything is out there, but as you said, not every day can be a good day. And
yeah.
you have your good mood and your bad mood. And I think bad mood जब होता है, तो obviously you are your true self. At the same time, आप गुस्से में बहुत सारी चीजें करते हैं which you're not, and which you don't even mean. But in the moment आप बहुत सारी चीजें बोल देते हैं, आप कर देते हैं जो I do not want everyone to know. You know. So I think.
And you don't want to make everyone to make a spectacle about it. एक छोटी सी बात पे
On a
हर
bad,
गुस्सा आ जाता है,
हर किसी को गुस्सा आ जाता है.
अगर गुस्सा आ जाता है या कभी कोई ब्रेकडाउन हो जाता है कहीं, या कभी wardrobe malfunction, कभी कुछ भी हो
And
सकता है.
sometimes when you're angry आपको पता भी नहीं होता आप बोल क्या रहे हैं.
Yeah.
So I think that.
I think with me and Irsa सबसे पहले हमारे word से पहले हमारी tone off हो जाती है and we get told कि तुम्हारी tone बहुत ऑफ थी and we're like लेकिन हमने बोला क्या है, क्या बोला है, कुछ बुरा तो नहीं बोला, and they're like
It's
just
a
hear
tone.
yourself.
It's a tone, not the word, it's a tone. कोई बात ना कह रहे हो.
Because we try our best not to say anything bad, but how much can you hold in,
Yeah.
you know?
I mean, you've got to be a human being at the end of the day.
Yeah, basically.
Yeah.
It's not
So
easy to
off
be.
camera, we were discussing this कि you know हम सबका एक वो आता है. We've got our highs and lows, and we've got days when we're very close to God, and we've got days जब हम शायद अपने faith से दूर हो रहे होते हैं. And it's very natural. अगर हम कहें कि हम बहुत original individuals हैं, तो I think this is how it should be. Because to achieve that level of piousness या you know being religious, I think वो बहुत ही एक next level होता है. How do you manage to maintain that? Like how do you connect with yourself in a way कि जहाँ पे आपका faith भी आपको लगता है कि continuous एक consistency में staunch रहता है या रहे, and profession कहीं ना कहीं शायद उसको allow करता है या नहीं करता, तो उसको कैसे आप लोग पे balance करते हो?
Honestly, I think my profession and the way I try to connect with God is very different. Because for me, my religion, क्योंकि मेरे काम से तो बहुत ही it's not interlinked, you know. क्योंकि
थोड़ा सा
obviously
conflict है शायद.
थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा conflict है. अगर I'm a model and I wear everything I want, I'm not being restricted from my parents, मैं सब करती हूँ, but I pray 5 times a day.
Yeah.
And I try to stay connected to God in whatever way I can. कि रात में भी अगर उठ के दिल चाहेगा 3 बजे नमाज़ पढ़ने का, I will pray. I won't think कि अच्छा मैंने रात में क्या किया था या मैं सुबह क्या करूँगी, तो मैं अभी नमाज़ नहीं पढ़ सकती.
शूट पे भी नमाज पढ़ लेते हैं.
हाँ, तो मतलब I think it's a personal choice. आप किस तरह से आप बस अपने आप को गॉड से या मतलब एक डिवाइन सोर्स से कनेक्ट रखना चाहते हैं.
But do you think ये थोड़ा unfair है कि society आपको बहुत ज़्यादा जज करती है इस चीज़ की basis पे कि क्योंकि आपका एक certain profession है, right?
100%.
For example, अगर आप कोई religious scholar हैं, वो और बात है कि आप overall क्या कर रहे हैं life में.
Society आपको religion होने पे भी judge करती है,
वो
मुझे
एक certain उनकी तरफ एक नज़रिया होता है,
Yeah.
right? उनको बहुत respectable समझा जाता है सब कुछ. When you belong to, you know, इस तरह की कोई industry है हमारी जहाँ पे
Yeah.
there's acting, modeling, एक वो इंस्टिल्ड है सबके दिमागों में कि पता नहीं ये तो शायद मजहब से करीब नहीं है.
मुझे लोग मैसेजेस करते ओ उम्रा पे चली गई, अच्छा. और लोगों को ये भी लगता है कि आप एक दफ़ा उम्रा पे चले गए, बट नाउ अब आपने पूरी दुनिया से अपने टाइज कट कर लिए हैं, अब आप पूरा पर्दा कर लेंगे, अब आप
Literally.
जान नमाज बिठा के आपसे बैठ जाएंगे. बिकॉज लिटरली आई गेट सो मेनी मैसेजेस कि बस अब लाइफ खत्म, उम्रा कर लिया तो नहीं लाइफ खत्म. तो आई थिंक लोगों का स्टिग्मा खुद ही अपने दिमाग में, इट्स ऑल अबाउट परसेप्शन.
एंड आई नोटिस सम पीपल आर आल्सो कॉल्ड आउट उम्रा के बाद ना, वो देखो उम्रा करके आई हैं
और काम पे चली गई,
शी इज वेयरिंग अ क्रॉप टॉप.
900 चूहे खा के बिल्ली हज को
मुझे
चली.
लिटरली लोग मैसेज करते हैं वापस शूट्स पे चली जाओगी. मतलब लोगों
मैं
के-
तो while I'm at उम्रा, let's say एक स्टोरी लगा दी है जिसमें मेरे थोड़े से बाल नजर आ रहे हैं, उम्रा कर लिया तो कमरे में whatever, वो नहीं पहनावा उतार लिया फौरन 2 सेकंड में.
Yeah.
And like people will also like, let's say for example, I'm wearing something that is not acceptable for society. तो उस पिक्चर के नीचे लिटरली कमेंट्स आएंगे, हाँ इसके बाद उम्रा करने चली जाना.
लिटरली
Like हाँ मैं जाऊंगी.
आई एम बीइंग कॉल्ड. मैं
But
जाऊंगी.
people really do have a hard time understanding
Yeah.
anything. आप अच्छा करें उससे मसला है, बुरा करें उससे मसला है,
अब
अच्छा
ज़्यादा
करके बुरा करें
religious
उससे
भी होंगे,
मसला
उससे
है.
भी मसला है.
हाँ.
कि ओ
Yeah.
अच्छा नमाज पढ़ी हो, इतनी लंबी लंबी नमाज़ें पढ़ोगी, अच्छा बीवी करोगी, अच्छा रिलीजन होने को भी लोग बेसिस बनाते हैं
Yeah.
टू जज.
Yeah.
सो आई थिंक पीपल विल जज यू नो मैटर
हर
व्हाट.
हाल,
But
हर
for
चीज के
me,
लिए.
I do feel like my work is obviously as an actor. Even Irsa, she can say no to any shoot which is like sleeveless है या जो भी है. She can say no. That's a personal choice.
Yeah.
For me, acting में there is no such मतलब thing being offered to me जिसमें clothing का issue हो या in my opinion acting चलो being on television, entertainment, whatever, I feel like कि ऐसा कुछ है नहीं जो मुझे offer हो रहा है. तो I think it's very like different, but it's not very difficult for me to maintain my religious beliefs or practice anything religious, क्योंकि to me it's completely separate. It's completely separate. मैं सुबह उठ के like I also do try and pray 5 times a day. I do try and be on my best behavior. लोगों को कुछ लगे ना लगे, I really don't care what people think about me. It's people need to understand some things are between you and God. You cannot be there. This person recently like called me out और उसने मेरा और 2 और एक्टर्स का नाम लेके पॉडकास्ट पूरी अपनी बनाई हुई थी यूट्यूब पे कि क्या ये लड़कियां इस्लाम को डिफेम कर रही हैं. लाइक हु और फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं कोई दर्स नहीं दे रही एंड आई एम नॉट अ रिलीजियस स्कॉलर एंड आई एम नॉट क्लेमिंग टू बी जस्ट बिकॉज आई एम letting you into the part of my life where aside from work and chilling and partying or whatever, I'm also showing you my pious side जो लोग बहुत सारे नहीं दिखाते. A lot of actors वो या तो अपनी pious side नहीं दिखाते या तो अपनी personal life नहीं दिखाते. For example, I'm a very big shot actor, okay, let's say, and मैं अगर उम्रा पे जा रही हूँ ना तो वो मैं नहीं दिखाऊंगी. क्यों? क्योंकि मेरा लाइफस्टाइल एक बहुत मे बी पार्टी गर्ल वाला है. और द अदर वे अराउंड अगर मैं मतलब लोग मुझे बहुत सती सावत्री समझते हैं तो मैं अपना तो मैं ये नहीं दिखाऊंगी कि मैं पार्टी करने जा रही हूँ. ठीक है, तो लोग बहुत हाइड करते हैं. द थिंग अबाउट मी एंड इरसा इज वी सो रियल, वी शो आवर लाइव्स इन सच नेचुरल वे कि दोनों चीजें होती हैं, ये भी होता है वो भी होता है, बैलेंस होता है जो हर एक की लाइफ में होता है.
Honestly, people messages us के हम आपकी स्टोरी से देख के हमने ये कर लिया और ये दुआ ही कर ली या तो नमाज ही पढ़ ली या तो लिटरली हमारे अंदर मोटिवेशन आ गई कि हम शायद मॉडल भी बन सकते हैं.
And the main difference between us and a lot of people is because they have a private account, so there's nobody to judge them for also partying and also going for, let's say, an umrah, you know, or also wearing whatever they want and also praying 5 times a day. लोगों को balance समझ ही नहीं आता, but that's why we don't care what people think about it. You can't.
लेकिन you think कि लड़की होना ज़्यादा difficult हो जाता है
लड़कों
को शायद
रहमत है रहमत से
in terms of लड़कों को शायद उस तरह नहीं जज किया जाता for being religious or you know doing a certain kind of role or being a model.
नहीं किया जाता because men are mostly the people जो judge
You know,
कर रहे
because लड़की हमें जज करो तो किसी और लड़के को थोड़ी करेंगे, लेकिन वो लड़कों को भी करते हैं. वही बात है, as soon as you come in the public eye, people think you are a canvas for them to write all their comments on, and I mean, चलो
आपको क्या लगता है ज़्यादा judgment कहाँ से आती है? औरतों से ही आती है या
ऑनेस्टली दोनों से ही आती है.
आती तो दोनों से ही है आई थिंक.
हाँ, वो आंटियां जो बेचारी लाइफलेस हैं, जो घर पे बैठी नहीं हैं, जिनके हस्बैंड उनको इग्नोर करते हैं, सेकंड मैरिज करके बैठे हुए हैं, तो उनकी तरफ से भी
या जिनके बेटे उनको मुंह नहीं लगा रहे हैं
तो ऐसी आंटियां भी करती हैं, लड़के भी करते हैं, कुछ बहुत पढ़े लिखे लड़के भी करते हैं, कुछ बहुत पढ़ी लिखी लड़कियां भी करती हैं. Some people are just born and bred haters. And some people are just bored. Some people also want your attention. Actually, I was talking to someone about this a few days ago. I'll get a hate message. Sometimes I'll just respond to them. Or I'll say something like, मेरे को hate message, let's say मैंने कहा thank you. Oh my God, so sorry. I just wanted you to reply to me.
Oh my God.
Really?
Okay.
Yes.
That's weird.
So if someone truly wanted to understand you guys beyond all of this, what would you like to say about yourselves?
Guys, we're an open book.
I don't think there's anything we can particularly say if somebody wants to understand us beyond what we already show on Instagram and what we've already talked about. They would just have to get to know us personally, and that we might not be so open to all the time. No, I'm joking. We do still make new friends. It's just rare to come across such a person who seems so like-minded to you and whose energy feels so
intervene and so connected.
So relatable to you. Actually, लेकिन हमारी होती हैं हर साल नया कोई ना कोई दोस्त बन ही रहा होता है.
बन जाते हैं, बट
वही बात है कि you randomly come across someone who seems this person so like
as genuine as us.
Yeah.
And it's really
So
hard
you
to
feel कि genuine connections ढूंढना मुश्किल हो गया because of being a public figure or being in people's public eye.
It is kind of difficult, but it is also easy at the same time.
And it doesn't have anything to do with
you
work
just
in general.
I think you just need to be open about it if you really need to.
Especially because we're not the kind of people. कुछ लोग होते हैं, they're always down to make new friends all the time. Some people are very sociable in the sense that they like making connections with anyone. कोई इंसान अच्छा है, बुरा है, कैसा है. Some people are like that. Like so many travel vloggers and stuff that I've seen. They love just getting to know everyone.
I'm not like that. I think.
We're not like that.
the amount of friends I have, I just want to cherish them.
And focus on them.
And focus on them
Yeah.
because the plate is already very full.
Yeah, alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah ka lakh lakh shukr hai. So, but I don't mind obviously making new friends.
And we
new
do make new
connections.
friends every
We do
now
make
and then.
new friends, but वही मामा कहती हैं हर हाथ मिलाने वाला दोस्त नहीं
Yes.
होता, तो I tried.
I became friends with a whole new group of people, like literally a few months back, and they're all so much younger to me as well, and we just randomly connected. So it does happen, and it's not one person or two people; it's a whole group of people, you know. So it's not like we're like some people might think, oh, they're so arrogant, they don't want to make new friends. No, it's not like that. It's
Yeah, we're
just
not too closed up, but
कहीं खुद से naturally
कहीं खुद
connection
से,
हो. Exactly.
Okay.
it should flow naturally.
Yeah.
Yes.
One parting message for your audience.
One
क्या
parting.
कहना चाहेंगे? Or for girls who are wanting to get into modeling or acting, but उनको नहीं समझ आ रहा कि how to navigate their way through.
I guess.
My parting message to people would be that first of all, just always appreciate yourself, be there for yourself. Keep dreaming. Don't just stop dreaming, and don't let people put boundaries on you or make you feel like you can't achieve everything that you want to achieve. You can achieve everything that you want to. You have to work hard for it. You have to stay connected to yourself, to your God, to your family and friends. And anyone who wants to get into modeling and acting, good luck. You definitely can. Look, now there's so many things. There's master classes. There's no art in this world that you can't learn, and there's nothing better than actually learning an art before going into it and learning by experience, you know. So I wish everyone the best of luck. Be safe in any field, not just modeling or acting. आप कहीं भी जा रहे हैं, be safe, be careful, be smart, and don't forget to be there for yourself. the
Can I
most.
just say copy and paste?
I wish हम copy paste पे खुश होते हैं. We would like for you to say something.
So the parting message would be stay as original as possible, be authentic, and love yourself, love your family, love the people around you, and have the best intention for yourself
Yes.
and for everyone around you. Because if you have the best intentions for everyone around you, then the divine will, you know, place things जो आपने
खुद
खुद
ला
भी
के
नहीं
आपको
सोचे
देंगे।
होंगे. लिटरली वो आप इतना सारा ट्रेजर में रखा होगा, वो खुद ही, क्योंकि कहते हैं कि जो आप दूसरों के लिए सोचते हैं वो अल्लाह ताला
Yes.
पहले आपके लिए फुलफिल करते हैं. सो हैव द बेस्ट इंटेंशंस फॉर एवरीवन अराउंड यू एंड या स्टे सेफ.
Allah Hafiz.
अल्लाह हाफिज़.
You guys, I had an amazing time.
Thank you so
Likewise.
much.
Thank you so much. I
Likewise.
got to learn just so much from the two of you. Thank you. मैं इस podcast का मकसद ही ये था कि I wanted to see the 3D world from another lens, and I think
Bird eye view.
and I think I also wanted to sort of experience the world from your minds. So thank you for sharing your experiences. And
Thank you for
being here.
having us as your
Thank you
first
for having
guest.
us. First
That
one
was
with
really
the first.
cool.
You're
It was
most
fun.
welcome.
It was fun.